And for our special episode, yes, this is a special episode po sa ating lahat mga NF Tapas because this is the first, well, technically it's already our third installment of the fantasy draft, pero this is the first time in history where gagamit po tayo ng word sa ating guesting. Now, technically it is the last Thursday of the year. So hello po. Maundir ngayon dito. Tanggalin ko yung effects. Hindi siya Ayan. And that's me. So in this episode for tonight, tayo ay maghihintay muna ng ating mga guest. And so far, kumusta naman ang inyong mga Pasko, mga NF Tropas? Mga nandito po sa comment section, kumusta po kayo? Sir Rob, Kuya Ed, how's your Christmas there? Or is it Christmas already there?
It's for me, it's Christmas right now. Uh-huh. Yeah, it's technically Christmas morning.
In the morning.
Christmas morning, yes. Uh-huh.
Oh, that's why.
Yeah.
What's happening there so far? Ano na pong nangyayari dyan?
Right now it's raining, so it's going to be a rainy Christmas for today. It's been raining since yesterday and very hard yesterday on Christmas Eve. So I didn't actually go out of the house yesterday, and I actually had to plan to buy last-minute gifts, but since it was raining, I'll do it today. Later, hopefully it doesn't rain too much today. Yeah. Yeah, and I stayed up till midnight earlier, 5 hours ago. Yeah, and just opened my gifts. Yeah, we just had a little stuff to eat here, like spaghetti and fish and all that. Yeah, and I was really sleepy, so after opening the gifts, I went to sleep. So I had to prepare for this live.
Okay. Yep. Please don't hesitate to share this live po sa atin, lalo na sa mga Oshi natin, mga gustong sumali. Or, mga gustong makapaghintay na masali sa draft po na ito. Kuya Ed, how's your... Wait, do you celebrate Christmas? I think you celebrate Christmas naman, Kuya Ed, no? How's your, naman? How's December 25 for you, Kuya Ed?
So, sorry, madilim kanina, but yeah. We went to Makati pero umuwi kami agad because paano ba to sabihin? Actually, iba yung program ngayon sa sa Ayala Triangle. So, yeah, we did not catch up the Christmas light show there. So, kasi yun nga, nag-iba nga siya ng program. Pero kanina overall, we had a good time there naman.
Oh!
Ayun, so may tanong si Kuray.
Hello, Kuray. Nakapunta ba kayo sa solo? Ako yung nakapunta. And for those who are wondering, just for context, ito na po this is just the rip-up version kasi nasa marami na yung suot ko talaga.
Ayun na. Time to get in the identity,
Incognito mode.
I wasn't incognito mode at that time kasi, well, it wasn't really, but to be honest, lang siya, it's, of course, it's a really, really long day. Day talaga. Kasi that includes the afternoon where I have to work from home. Technically work from home, pero more like work from my laptop. So, I think that's the perk. Yeah. So I think that's the perk ng working from home. I can bring my device anywhere, then I can work. And the checky sessions. Ayun. Well, the feedback from the checky session was that, well, buti na lang ay mayroon ako naabutang if medyo strict lang yung natin, yung implementation, sobrang baka nasayang lang yung pera ko kasi I availed 5 checky sessions with 5 members. So basically what happened there is 1 second. That's something. Sa X may nagpost ng conversations chat tungkol kay CJ. Well, the mere fact that what I've seen from X is it was more on CJ being mentioned sa leaked group chat, but that's like a topic for another day. Kasi medyo mahirap pag-usapan yan because we're not in the spot. And what we're seeing there are translated versions. Now, in the translated version, posibleng iba-iba tayo ng iba-ibang interpretation sa mismong translation ng mga words. So, medyo mahirap maghanap ng, well, it's hard for me to give a perspective, especially that I don't know what they are talking about. It's in Malay. Yeah, the translation might be lost as well, so I don't know. Ayun lang. Sakto, medyo yung episode na to is kind of like a fantasy draft where we will be talking about, well, that's, we don't know about that. Yun lang yung masasabi ko. But that's interesting. Pero
Okay.
yun,
Okay. If I may add, I know medyo belated ako ang dating ko, pero pero bago ang lahat, good evening and or good morning to others in the world, and no matter where you are, Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays to everyone here.
yes.
Yeah. And yeah, yun nga. Yun, medyo nahagip ko yung hindi ko alam kung yung context ko, Ray, pero sa tingin ko, yun ay isang bagay na hirap speculate, lalo't may language barrier kasi. Mahirap siyang hanapin ng speculation kasi
Oo,
Well,
I cannot
Oo nga.
rely on the translated
Ang-
version.
ang aspiration na lang siguro natin sana i-handle ng sino mga authorized i-handle kung ano man yung nangyayari lang. But anyway, we're not here for that. Ang pinakabuod talaga ng episode tonight is yung makabuo
Mag-draft.
sa hopefully ng ating mga mythical teams, or what the format says, the fantasy teams or the fantasy and Batsu, out of the active 40G members. So they are active as of today, tama ba?
Yeah, active 48G groups.
Wait.
So
Wait,
It's
I do have a question though. Considered bang graduate yung nag-gradcon pero hindi pa nag-final theater performance? O active pa rin siya? Considered active pa rin hanggang sa nag-final theater performance?
well, I would say if the graduation is announced, then we can consider them as graduated. If it was announced, but if it wasn't, then they're still active. Technically active. Parang ano na lang yun Alam mo yung sa mga typical na jobs where, yeah, I announced my resignation, pero meron silang 30, ano bang tawag dito?
Rendering.
Meron silang, rendering. Meron silang ganon. So, technically, they're still part of the, we have here, hello. Teka lang. Ultimatum. Yeah, may gusto bang sumali sa ano natin? Mukhang may gustong sumali, si Ultimatum, Anyways, hello. So, yun, anyways.
Hindi pa ako ready.
Okay.
Anyways,
And-
let's see. Mukhang ML Labs to So, let's see. Pag sumali si Ultimatum. Hello, Ultimatum. Please introduce yourself.
So basically, pag-announce, considered graduate na yun.
Can you hear me? Rinig ka.
Yeah.
Okay.
Actually, my name is Ollie. This is just really my dump account that I usually use for MNL48 content, and I've been an MLF since like pre-pandemic, so that sucks already to begin with.
Same.
Okay.
So,
It's
egol tayo dito.
Yeah, elug, super.
Yeah.
And-
So,
Additional info is I'm a musical director in a youth choir. So, yeah, so mas hectic pa. So, imagine mo, meron silang mga concert, may serve ako. Aray ko.
ouch. Priorities. Okay, since
Yeah,
may
that
nagtanong
sucks,
pala
honestly.
about, yeah, pero may tanong kasi dito about Sulong. Since nandito rin lang naman kayo, we were able to, well, at least in the launch, in the GC na meron kami, we're able to share about kung ano yung mga nakaganapan in real time sa sulong. But we'll merely focus on ML48 since yun lang naman talaga ang ano natin. Technically, they have 5 songs na kung saan nauna muna yung... the Checky session, well, I think I'll post some pictures to the NFT48 page for the Checky sessions since ako lang naman yung pumunta. So, stay tuned on that one. I'd like to add further yung sa... Ano tawag dito? About the concert itself, I like the fact na even the nakakasama lang ng loob yung mga katabi ko sa SVIP umuwi na kaagad kasi tapos na yung performance ng iba. But I appreciate that those who stayed, lalo na't they stayed until the end kasi inintay nila ang MNL48.
Ano oras na
I
ba
mean, intay
matapos?
anong oras na tapos? Anong oras ba ako nag-chat sa inyo?
1?
Di ko na may...
1.
1 a.m. Grabe yun, oo. 1 a.m.
Wala
talaga.
nang post noon. Apparently eh. Pero
Well,
iba,
past 1 a.m. na. Oo. Paano pa kaya yung mga nandun na since 10 a.m. pa? So, ilang oras sila nakatuwa nga doon? Halos
Magdamagan
isang
yun.
araw din.
Magdamagan.
Magdamagan yun. Well, from my perspective, oo, yung iba diretso simbang gabi na. O, lalo na last day yun eh. Oo.
Umabot pa na last.
Anyway, yun lang naman yung highlight ko. I'll be posting some of my checky pictures sa NFT48 page para lang makita nyo. Oo. And then dagdag ko lang yung sa ano bang tawag dito? Sobrang nung crowd, I would say. And everyone got absolutely better. Lahat ng performances ng ML48, I mean, they got significantly better since Reboot and Rise. And since their exposure from TikTok, sobrang better. Yun lang. Now, welcome to our... hello, Kuray. I think si Kuray gustong sumali.
Pass muna ako guys ha. Pass muna. Spectator lang muna ako for now. Para ma-observe
Ayan.
ko.
Hello, Kuray. Please introduce yourself. Welcome po sa aming momenting live stream.
Hello, ako po si Koray. And follow nyo po sa aking bagong Instagram account kasi yung aking luma ay hindi ko nabuksan kasi hindi ko rin password. Yun lang po.
Okay.
Thank you po.
Okay, maraming salamat. Ayun. So let's lay down the mechanics nga pala. I think let's make Kuya Joe or Kuya Ed do the honors sa paglapag ng mechanics po sa ating mumunting World 48 Senbatsu Fantasy Draft.
Okay, I
Ayan.
think I will let Edge do the honors with regards to that since isa siya sa mga nag-concept nito at isa rin siya sa mas maalam pagdating sa ganitong
Hello,
bagay.
Mr. K! Ayan, Mr. K.
Yun, Edge.
Si Mr. K.
Yun, no? Yun, Edge, can you do the honors? Go ahead.
Alright, Mr. K, sasali ka ba?
Mr. K, sali ka!
Kasi yan yung initially na nakontrata namin.
Ngayon lang
before, but,
nagpakita si Master K. It's been a while.
Yeah, it's been a while from the City 48.
Oo.
Or
When
just
ba
in
yung last
time,
nating
pa-
live stream na sumali ako ni Yokoroshi? May sinalihan ako eh. Na
November,
tayong tatlo
October
lang eh.
lang yata nito. Almost a month ago.
Baka sa
Yeah,
ibang live
anyway.
yun
Ibang live yun. Anyway, but going back to the introduction of the rules, so basically this is World 48 Fantasy Senbatsu Draft, and our aim here is to form our very own 12 to 16 members, or more like 12 to 16 members of our Senbatsu. Actually, we do have a loophole here because while we do consider only the current members, pwede magkaroon ng loophole in which na pwede tayong mag-include ng alumni since Oh My Pumpkin also consisted of 4 OG members of AKB48, so pwede tayong magpasok dito ng alumnus sa ating Senbatsu. And then as far as the groups are concerned, we didn't just only include active sister groups of AKB48 group, both local and international. We also included the Sakamichi series, if you know Nogizaka 46, Sakurazaka 46, and Hinatazaka 46 rather, well, kasama din sila sa ating draft pool for tonight. And each fantasy GM will have their turn to, let's say, make their pick. And if ever yung fantasy GM na ito is already satisfied with his choices, for example, if satisfied na siya sa 12, then pwede na siya mag-pass sa mga succeeding rounds. So, yun lang yung ating short explanation for our fantasy draft for tonight.
Now, I think it's time that we determine the ano bang tawag dito? The order of the draft. So what will be our basis here? Seniority ba? Basta yung sino yung pinaka-OG sa yung pinaka-uli. Sa 48G to, this is not applicable to MNL48 but in 48G.
So,
Yeah.
sa tingin ko, ang magiging the last ones per round would be Sir Edge and Sir Rob. So
Okay.
who would decide?
Okay,
who would be?
okay.
Yeah, okay. Sir Rob
Who
would
would decide who
would ought to be last, and Sir Edge would be. Okay.
The second to the last. Okay. I'd like to ask, sorry, medyo ano to. This is kind of parang determine na yung edad natin, at least sa fandom. So, gaano na po kayo katagal sa fandom o sa 48G? O kung ano yung extent ng alam nyo sa 48G? Sige, Kuray, gaano ka na? Ayun, si Mr. K! Ayan na! Feeling ko matagal na to si Mr. K eh. Hello, Mr. K. Welcome to the live stream.
Hello po,
Okay.
magandang gabi guys.
Okay, ask lang natin muna ang ating mga NF tropas dito kung gaano na po tayo katagal sa fandom. Opo, nagkakabukingan na. Fandom ng 48G in general. Okay. Mr. K, gaano ka na po katagal sa fandom? Sa 48G fandom?
I guess nakapasok ako nung time na na-launch yung Heavy Rote. Kasi nakilala
What
ko
year?
yung 48G by a cousin of mine dahil naging WOTA siya. So,
What year was that?
nakalimutan ko. Kailan kaya yung Heavy Rotation? I guess that was...
AKB ba to?
Oo, AKB.
Matagal na to. Okay, so hindi pala sa Sir Rob ang pinakahuli. we got Mr. K, who's the last person.
Wait.
Nakalimutan
Ganito.
ko.
Let's
Between
go.
Sir Rob and Mr. K, let's do
Coin toss.
coin toss. Okay, who's gonna call Sir Rob? What's your call?
Heads or tails?
And Sir
Tails. Tails.
Okay.
Okay, heads na.
Okay, the coin has come up tails.
So that means Mr. K ang pinakahuli.
Alright, sige po.
Si Mr. K talaga. Okay. Kuray, gaano ka nakatagal sa 48G fandom?
7 years. Ano yun?
Medyo matagal na rin.
10 years.
So since 20,
Since
7 years.
is it because of MNL48?
Saan yun?
Or
Palusot ko maybe sa mix ko napanood nung bata pa ako.
Basta ito yung time.
so this is MNL.
Nakalimutan ko kung anong era to na album.
Nice.
Okay, so I pretty much assume Kuray is medyo matagal na. Okay. Mr. Ultimatum, gaano ka na po katagal sa fandom? Sa 48G fandom po
Feeling ko ako yung pinakabata eh. Kasi since 2020 ako, tas MNL48 lang talaga ako solely eh.
Sige.
Yun lang talaga
Like
yung
20
ano ko eh.
Okay,
basis
let's
ko.
see. Okay, wait. Okay. Kuya Joe, what about you?
Parang halos sabay kami ni Kuray. Although originally primarily on MNL48, pero parang may background ako since ang pinakaunang ironically, well, I don't know if it's ironically, pero peculiar facto na or trivia na ang pinakaunang 48G song ng encounter ko is off the soundtrack of Wreck-It Ralph, which is Sugar Rush.
So matagal na din.
Mhm.
Or heads or,
Parang
heads or tails
Shin
na
Gogan
lang.
Sensei.
Heads or tails na lang kayo.
Sino?
Oh! Kayo name ko, Rai.
Mini Kuray. Okay. Kuray, what's your call?
Tails.
Yes.
Ayan na. Ayan.
Okay. The coin came up. Tails.
So, Kuray
Oh,
is medyo
Will be
uli.
ahead.
Okay.
Will pick ahead of me.
Okay. Ano yun? Kuray will be ahead of you, no? Okay.
Yun.
Sige, wait. Joe, Kuray. Okay. Wait. Okay. So mukhang it's between me and Ultimatum kung sino yung pinakamas matagal. Gaano ka na tagal sa fandom? Like anong year specifically?
2020.
2020.
Pandemic.
Okay.
Pandemic.
Pandemic. Ako kasi 2020 din ako eh. Pero
Wait, what?
late 2020. Simply lang siya, late 2020, pero I wasn't in the fandom until early 2021. Okay. Ayun. So, I would say, mukhang ako yung... Neo Karoshi, gano'n ka nakatagal sa 48G?
Late din ako, apparently 2023 din. Nung nag-start na ng formation of
So,
Quadlips. Doon ako
sino yung mauuna?
Oh, hindi ako
Neo.
kasama ko na. Pass ako ngayon.
Pass.
Medyo busy ako.
Oy!
Okay.
Yes! Ako yung mauuna! Yes! Anong pangalan mo? Sorry,
spectator lang
yeah, I'll
ako
just
ngayon.
I'll just consider ultimatum. Okay.
Yes.
Sige, yehey, ako yung una agad.
Spectator ka.
Ano ba
Yes,
yan?
I'm
I
safe.
have one. Okay. Pwede na bang can we start already? Kasi I have my choice already.
Okay. Kasi
Agad-agad.
Ito, heads up lang. Sige, basta. Start na tayo.
We need the sounds, mga kaibigan, dahil wala nang minute ito.
Okay.
Sige, Kuya Joe, please.
Joke lang.
Kuya Joe, please prepare the sound for us.
Okay. Sige.
Ten, ten, ten.
Ding, ding, ding. Pero ito pagdating sa ganyan na
God.
pagdating sa ganyan
Kaya kabahan na.
kasi may mga ginawa na kaming ganyan before eh.
Oo.
We do it in the sign yan.
It's like the NBA draft.
It's something like that. Actually, habang pine-prepare ko to, di ba may mga ibang creators na nagda-draft na rin sa Peacock, di ba?
Oh, it's us. It's us.
Well, other than us, of course.
I think it's for something else. More like for food, for matawag dito. Yeah, mostly food. Can be like fantasy lineups and something like that. So I already have my choice. I think it's
parang may na come across ako somewhere na they did it for Peacock members.
tayo yun. Tayo yun.
Yeah, but
Anyways.
anyway, other than anyway,
Other than that,
beside the point, ready na tayo? Yun ya.
Yeah, I already have my choice. A former member of Quadlips, SKE48's Hina. Ayan, agad-agad.
Yun no.
Meron na agad.
Sana all may album.
Next! Ultimatum. Your first pick.
Any 48G, di ba?
Yes.
Honda Hitomi.
Sorry, ano siya? AKB48?
Yeah. AKB.
What's like her stage name?
Literally
Honda?
Hitomi. Hichan or Hitomi, yun lang.
Okay, AKB48 Hitomi. Okay, thank you. Ultimatum.
Honda Hitomi.
Yeah, Honda.
Next!
Like as in the car brand and then Hitomi.
Yeah. Okay. Next, Kuray.
Ano nga gawin?
Okay, it's time for you to choose a member of your choice. So, nag-mention na kami ng mga pangalan. And then, who's your first choice to be chosen in your fantasy lineup? Ayun.
Ano lang ako eh. Ang alam ko lang siya, puro ano lang eh. Emily lang alam ko eh.
Okay lang
Pwede ba
yan. It's okay.
Yan.
Okay lang.
Walang mali.
Walang mali. Hello, Renz. Sige, it's your turn.
Cole.
Oh, quad lips.
Ikaw dapat sumali na pala ako.
Oh, wala nang atrasan ha. Wala nang atrasan yun.
Aray ko! Dapat
Too late.
sumali
Okay.
ako.
Too late.
Kuya Joe, it's
Too
your
late.
turn. You're too late.
Too late.
Ako? Oh, wait. Ako, I choose... Wait, ayun nga.
Come on.
I choose...
Mamadali.
I choose from AKB48, Ogre Yuri.
Inunahan na ako ni Kuya Joe. Ano pangalan yan? Anong stage name nun? Oguri-san? Yui-san?
Yui.
Yui.
Yeah.
Yui.
Yui. Okay. Next! Kuya Edge.
Alright, for my first overall pick in my entire Fantasy Senbatsu, or more like my own Fantasy Senbatsu, I'm picking the current overall captain of MNL48, Maria Jamie Beatriz Alberto, also known as
Yeah, inuna na
MNL48.
MNL.
Jamie, I'm not gonna
Yeah.
do that ever again.
Sir Rob, it's your turn.
Grabe rin up yung full name ni Jamie. Respect.
Puno
Okay.
yun sa
Lang,
nap.
to be honest.
Sir Rob, it's your turn.
Okay, yes. So I'm going to choose my very first AKB48, Kamioshi, Watanabe Mayu, also known as Mayuyu.
Mayuyu. Okay. Mr. K, you're the last one.
Si Maida Achan.
Ah,
Good choice. Good choice.
inunahan mo na
Achan.
naman ako.
Achan.
Achan. Okay.
Achan.
Sige, this will be quite sige, ako na muna mauuna. Well, I'm gonna choose this member. Ang hirap ah. Sige, the next member that I'll be picking is another remnant of Quadlips, JKT48, Fenny. Ayan. Next, ultimatum.
Ah, great. I can't even think of anything. Wait, hold on. AKB at MNL pa lang kasi talaga stan ko. Fudge.
Sige,
Okay lang
AKB.
yan. Okay lang. Marami sa AKB.
Gamitin
Ang
mo
dami.
yung AKB48 wiki.
Ang dami nun.
Oh.
Okay.
No, I'm gonna
okay.
memorize it like
Okay.
a true freaking
Okay.
wata.
Okay, ito. Just to help everyone here, just bigyan mo
Uy!
kayo ng idea.
Hi, Kat. Hello, Kat.
Bigyan mo kayo ng idea.
Shout out kay
I
Kat.
have, pwede open notes dito. Pwedeng, if you have a laptop in front of you, just like mine, pwede yun para mag-google kayo, mag-search kayo ng wiki, para may reference kayo kung sino yung pipick nyo. And that's it.
Oo.
Because that's what GMs do eh. Diba?
Yes. Dako po, meron nag-aabang na. Yeah, ultimatum, your turn.
Sakura na lang akin.
Emerald 48
Miyoshi.
Sakura.
No.
Oh.
Like,
Miyawaki Sakura
48. Yeah, Miyawaki one.
from HKT48. You know.
HKT48. Anong niya, stage name niya? Sakura?
Sakura literally. Kura
Yeah,
or Sakura.
Sakura.
So
Sakura.
dalawa na pala. Sana magpang-abot sila ng nasa MNL. Okay, next, Koray. Your turn.
Same reason kay Cole, si Isabel.
Isabel.
Oh my God.
Isabel.
We have to remember,
Hey.
pwede pa po ang former members. Ayun. Next, Kuya Joe.
Oh, wait a minute. Okay. For me, I'm gonna choose...
Hello, Kat. Yeah. Please
Hello.
join.
Bring up in
Please stay tuned.
Hi, Kat.
Oy, baka
Okay.
may umasang mapipili. Grabe kayo.
Okay.
Uy,
I'm gonna choose...
Hi, Kat.
Okay, from
pinagpala tayo.
From AKB.
This is a good sign.
This time from BNK48, I'm gonna choose Fame.
Fame.
Daya
Gusto
mo,
quadlip.
dapat yung siya po pipiliin ko kung sumama na ako.
Wala eh. You're too late.
Too late. You're too late.
Sabi mo, di ka sasali. Yan na tuloy.
Ulit, touch
Kuya Edge, your turn.
Wala,
Third
bigla
match move.
nagsuda na din ako eh.
You're too late, Neo. So, etong next pick ko. Oh, by the way, if ever you would ano lang, papansin nyo. The concept of mine is basically an all-star team. So basically, the next pick that I'm going to have is from AKB48, the mother group. And the next one, since nakuha na si Yui Oguri, the next one in my poll is actually Eri Chiba. So I'm gonna take Eri Chiba.
Eri Chiba.
That's like her spelling, sorry.
Eri. E-R-I-I.
Yes, Sir Rob said it.
Ano yun?
Thank you.
Double R?
Double I.
Eri.
Single
Eri.
R, double I. Yo,
Okay.
thank you.
Hello po. For those who are asking what's the fantasy draft, that's like something similar to an NBA draft, pero we're like creating our own all-star team sa perspective po ng mga MN Loves at mga 48G stands. Hello, Tita Lynn, Ma'am Shiel, hello po. Nako po, baka may pipili kaya kay Dana. Let's see. Next, Sir Rob.
Okay. My next pick is a current member of SKE48 and my current Kamioshi from that sister group, Inoue Ruka. Also known
Ruka?
as Ruchan. Ruka, yeah. But
Ruchan.
her Ruchan.
Merry Christmas po.
Merry Christmas
Okay.
po, Ma'am.
Last one, Mr. K.
Pwede sa graduated members sa MNL, I'd pick,
Pwede.
MNL48, former MNL48 Sayaka.
Oh. Okay.
Wait,
It's my turn.
wait. Before we continue, hindi pa kasi tayo nag-decide sa cap ng members. Kasi hindi pa kasi from what I observe, 1/4 of the squad from Omi Pumpkin is graduated, diba?
Mhm.
And then so for now, the maximum graduates that we can pick is 3 until the 12th pick. Pero kung mag-decide tayo na i-16 natin, you can pick an additional graduate. That's it.
I think kaya ko naman ng 16. I think kaya natin. Okay. Anything goes.
Up to 3 graduates. That's it.
Okay. So since you mentioned about pwede naman ng graduate, I'm gonna choose this member. My last trail, Kamiyoshi, the former captain of MNL48, Gem. And next, Ultimatum.
Since nandito si mami ni Dana.
Ala.
Si Dana na. Yan po, mami
Eh.
din. Para isa sa Oshi ko yan. Tsaka hindi. Ang astig rin kasi ni Ate Dana. Isipin mo, gitara tapos drums. Multi
Yeah.
stand. Amen.
Yes.
No?
Yes. Kuya Joe.
Gawin ng santo.
Ay, Kuray! Your turn. Thank
Kuray.
you.
Hala, tahimik na siya.
I'm sorry, sino po?
Si Rhea.
Oh, MNL48 Rhea. Okay. Next,
Pang ilang round na ba tayo?
third round.
Third round.
We almost lost count. Rhea,
Mabilis lang, di ba?
Oo.
Kuya Joe.
Okay. The next one that I will be picking is... Oh boy. Wala, na-steal na yung ano ko. Yung kamiyati ko. Wala. Okay lang. That's how it goes. And this time, I'm gonna pick yung center ng Omi Pumpkin natin, TJ.
Okay. Next, Kuya Edge.
All right, so before we actually, I think we should clarify something, no? So before ko anin yung aking pick, I think we should change the rules just a bit. Uh, Sir Rob suggested anything goes. I think we should go anything goes kasi I know ano yung sa kanyang draft picks or more like sa kanyang draft pool. I think there's more than four alumnus or alumni right there. So I think we should go anything goes na lang. Kasi ano para ma-consider din natin yung taste ng mga fantasy GMs natin. I think we should go
Yes.
anything goes.
Sige na,
Pwede tayo
oo.
mag-alumnus na unlead, parang gano'n.
Hindi.
Pwede din po ang
Would that
KKS. One more thing, pwede po ang KKS. Yun lang.
Yes, ayun.
Yan.
Good.
Right? In the spirit of anything goes. That's it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Ayun. I think gusto din ni Mr. K na anything goes eh. So, ayun.
Sana pala
Anyway.
sumama ako if anything goes. Pero okay lang.
Wala na!
Leo, you're late. That's the only thing that we're noticing. You are late. Special pick si Abdul.
Wag,
love
wag,
that.
wag.
Wag si Abdul. Anyway.
Talaga.
Sa mga matagal po na MN loves, you will get what Mr. K just said.
Please enlighten me. I'm a new MN love.
1.0 and 2.0. Ito. Okay, konting lore habang nag-iisip ng iba ng mga pixela. Basically, may nangyari kasi na may isang ML48 member na nahack yung kanyang account. Tapos, ang pumalit na account is some mixer man. So, kinode siya ng MN Loves na si Abdul. And then, that's it. Yun lang.
si Alisa ba yun? Naalala ko.
Eh,
Yes.
mamaya na, baka magkaalaman ako sinong susunod na pipiliin.
Anyway,
Ay!
Ayan,
Ayun, si Abdul. Ayan na, naalala na, oh. Anyway, going to my pick. Sorry, I'm not gonna waste my time here. So, with my third pick, I'm picking another captain. This time, the newly hailed overall captain of JKT48, Freya Jayawardana.
Oh my goodness.
What striker, Freya, no?
Freya.
Wait lang yung internet.
Fox Romeo Echo, Yankee Alpha.
Okay, next!
Okay, so my
Sir Rob.
next
Ay,
pick.
Sir Rob, alam na.
Yeah, okay. So my third pick is a current member of NMB48. She is Hirayama Mai. They call her Mighty.
As in MAITI or MA
Yeah.
what's
Yes, that's right.
Oh,
Mighty.
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 Okay. And last one, Mr. K.
Si BNK48 Cherprang, former captain.
Teka lang, di ba siya yung GM?
Oh, ngayon GM na yata ng BNK, 'di ba?
Okay. I'm confirming this kung saan siya belong kasi the only reason that I know this member is because of Tofu Pro Wrestling. And meron siyang sariling kanyang finishing move that we call the, ano bang tawag dito? Ayun, okay. So nakita ko na. Right now, she is, dami niyang she's probably the most experienced person on this list dahil she has been with SKE48 and AKB48 simultaneously at one point. So I'm gonna choose Matsui Jurina. Ayan.
Nice.
Oh, hindi pa siya yung bumisita dun sa nag-surprise dun sa mga aspirants
Anatawa
ng
Kiri.
2018.
Yep.
Siya yun, di ba?
I'm confirming kung ano yung
Yes.
tawag sa kanya. Jurina kaya?
Jurina.
Or Matsui?
Just Jurina.
Jorina Magdangal.
Okay.
Ginawang Tagalog ako.
Jorina. O siguro yun ang tawag kay Jolina pag nasa Japan siya. Jorina.
At this
Okay.
point, since may panibagong surname na si Jurina, gawan na natin rin si Rhea Pharmaceutical.
Okay, next! Ultimatum.
Derea Generics.
Utek, MNL tayo para atin. I'ma go with Mirai.
Mirai. Oh, perfect.
Oh, my fifth gem na.
Perfect.
My 5th gen. First entry from the 5th gen. Next, Kuray.
Yana.
Oh. HR? The HR?
Sino?
Yana daw.
Ariana. Ariana.
Rihanna or Yana? Yung
Yana.
HR o yung ano?
Yana daw, Yana.
Yana.
O yan.
Yana.
Leana. Si Leana. Okay. Next. Joe. Kuya Joe.
Okay. Okay, give me a few seconds here.
Mighty.
For my fourth pick, I choose from BNK48, Pancake.
Pancake.
Yeah. Yeah, the food.
Nagugutom ka na,
The
Joe?
food. Gutom na ako.
Pasko na kasi, baka walang notibuena.
Next. Kuya Edge.
Alright, so my next pick is actually from SKE48, and since napili na si Hina-san, so
Oo.
I'm going with Honoka Aikawa,
Ooh.
also known as that, if I can remember the member na isa lang ang pumili sa kanya dun sa isang handshake event. Well, ever since, dami na pumili
Honoka?
sa kanya.
Azu.
So, name is Honoka talaga.
I think called
Azu.
Azu.
As in,
Or
SZU.
actually,
SZU.
according to AKB48 fandom wiki, it's Honono.
Honono. Okay.
Honono.
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 Maybe think of somebody else.
Honoka Aikawa.
Oh, no, no.
Hono. No.
Honono.
My
Alright,
reaction.
let's go to the next.
Next. Sir Rob.
Okay. Okay, my next pick is let's go with another current member from KLP48, a transplant from Japan, one of the former Team 8 members, Gyoten Yurina.
I think that has to be Urina, no? Tama ba ako?
Urina.
Oh, Urina.
Yurina.
Last one, Mr. K.
Sige, since nag-hap naman din ako ng groups, I'd go with JKT48 Rhapsody Center, si Shani.
Ooh.
Shani.
Shani. As in S-H-A-N-I? Yun lang spelling, no?
Shani, Shani.
Uy. Dumami na. Sige, I think at this point, I'm gonna pick someone. Sige, wag muna kasi... Okay. Actually, ang hirap medyo siya on my part Pero sige. I'm gonna pick another ML48 member. And sa mga matagal lang I'm gonna pick another ML48 member. And sa mga matagal lang nakatutok sa ating live sa stream ng NFT48 ay let's say I do have this mentor-mentee relationship for a year. Yeah. So I'm gonna pick ML48 Elise.
Anak. Ang anak.
Si Anakshi.
Anak si ni
Okay.
Kuya Nate.
Next, Ultimatum.
Yes, Ultimatum.
Ultimatum.
Your turn.
Are you alive? Malag-CR.
Well, yeah. Away from device.
Away from
Away
keyboard.
from the to Hello, Ultimatum.
AFK.
Okay.
Hello.
1, 2. Binilangan.
One!
Wala, we're wasting
Parang
time.
sa mga raffle dahil uso ako sa party.
Okay, next na. Tagal na. Next.
I think si Kuray. Yeah, the next one is Kuray.
Yeah, next.
Line.
Line.
Pinag-iwalay yung mag-best friend Okay.
Okay.
Next, Kuya Joe.
Okay. This time I'm gonna pick from KLP48 Cocoa.
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 Gusto ko niyan, chocolate. Kala ko siya, love, joy, hope!
Cocoa Kai.
Sorry po.
Akala
Okay,
ko
next.
yung pumunta sa tulong
Hindi yun. Kaya Edge.
Alright, so I'm gonna pick someone from BNK48. And ang masasabi ko lang dito allegedly kamukha daw niya si Sheki. So I'm going to pick one of the Thai pumpkins, Patali Praserthirachai, also known as BNK48 Hoop.
Hook.
Hoop.
Hoop. Hoop.
Hope, si Hope.
Parang
Hula
ano ba yung mas, parang pahirapan ng pangalan to? Anong mas mahirap
Like
na pangalan
Ali
kung
Hoop?
kay
Hoop.
Giannis Antetokounmpo ba o yung
Like-
sa mga Thai na pangalan natin?
Yung mga
Okay.
Thai names.
It's like basketball, like it's through the hoop. Hula hoop.
Hoop.
Hoop, what's in
Next. Yeah, I know. Lovejoy Hoop. Di ba yan yung ano? Di ba yan yung tawag sa sa klaseng punch? Sinasabing jab hook. Okay.
Okay na?
Next. Sir Rob. Sir Rob.
Okay. All right. I'm gonna pick this girl from AKB48 Team SH. She used to wear glasses, but not anymore. Her name is Shen Ying. They call her Lizzie, Lizi.
Lizzie. Okay.
Lizzie, yeah.
Mr. K.
Ito na sa baba. Si SGO48 Casey.
I am so sorry, Mr. K. Hindi po kasama yung disband.
Hindi nakasama.
Hindi
Okay.
po kasama.
Sige, I'd go with ano na lang din. Someone from MNL48 ulit. O kasi feeling ko nakakalimutan ko na kami Oshi ko sa noon eh. Sela.
Nako po,
Nako po! May nakuha na naman. Okay. Dahil kinuha. Wait lang. I think it's time for me that I research more. Kasi, eto, the only reason na kilala ko tong member na to is mainly because sa kapwa kong, ano man tawag dito, sa isa kong follower na nakikita kong nag-wrestling din, pero apparently sa wrestling referee, pero nakikita kong kanino siya marupok. It's none other than KLP48, Devi. Okay. Next.
Nawala na si
Ultimatum.
Ultimatum.
Ultimatum!
Nawala na siya.
nawala.
Ultimatum! Okay.
Wait.
Na ultimatum na.
Lumagyan ng
Teka lang,
ultimatum.
Teka lang, hindi pa pwede. Baka bumalik pa. Wag muna, baka bumalik pa. Koray.
Red.
Pwede conditional
Oh.
pick.
Si Red.
Pick.
Si Red.
Emerald 48 Red. Good choice. Good choice. The most experienced
Nako.
idol sa 5th gen. Next!
Oh.
Kuya Joe.
Ay, teka. Pwedeng kinahe motion for conditional pick.
Bakit?
Bakit?
Ano yun?
Pag hindi, pag bumalik, relinquish yun. Pag hindi bumalik, goods yun. Then I would have to pick dun sa dulo.
Ay, wag muna. Wag muna.
Wala,
Protected.
hindi pwede yun.
Di pwede.
Hindi pwede.
Hindi pwede yun. Unfair yun sa iba.
Di.
Unfair. Pwede pa siya bumalik eh.
Sabagay. Sige. Ano na lang, i-tabs na lang kung ano yung mga na-miss niya. Then dun siya magpipick in secrets. Kaya yung mga nauna natin.
Isang bagsakan.
That's
Isang
all right. I'm
bagsakan.
listening.
Oo.
I'm taking notes.
Yun yan. Okay.
Yeah, me too.
Okay, thank you for that. Okay. This time, dahil nagpipilian ng mga alumni, might as well pick an alumni. Abay, syempre, ang OG center ng OG Fortune Cookie natin.
Oh my
Jackie.
gosh.
Shaky.
Nandun siya.
MVP.
Nandun pa naman siya.
Okay, next. Kuya Edge.
Okay, since ito pa yung isa pang napuntahan kong 40G Theater last April, no? So, before ako pumunta na Nagoya, I actually resided in Osaka. And we all know what's their 48G group there. It's NMB48, and I'm going to pick a relatively new member there. It's Kotone Takahashi. Or
Anong ano niya?
yung stage name niya is Kotochi.
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 Kilo Oscar, Tango Oscar, Charlie Charlie, Hotel India.
Okay. Oh, Sierra Hotel
Kotochi.
India Echo Lima Delta. Okay, next.
Next,
Sir
okay.
Rob.
Okay, I'm going to pick. Let's pick this girl. Okay, so she's from AKB48, but she also spent time in STU48. You may recognize her, Okada Nana.
Excellent pick.
Okada Nana. Okay.
Excellent pick.
Okay. Okay.
Sorry, what's the AKB48? AKB48 slash STU48.
Yeah, Okada Nana. I think they call her
Hey, magandang
Oh!
welcome to stream. Merry Christmas.
Nana. Yeah, Nana-chan or Nana or
Nana.
Nachan.
Nachan.
Nana. Just with Nana. Yeah, Nachan. Okay.
Nachan.
Okay. Alright.
Nachan. Okay, like NAA.
Yeah,
Yeah.
let's do it that
Okay.
way. Let's do it that way. Yeah. Okay.
Okay, next. Mr. K.
Some member from AKB48, si Kashiwagi Yuki. Yuki rin?
Kirin.
Uy!
Isa ko lang.
Yuki rin.
Nice.
Yuki rin.
Excellent pick. Excellent pick.
Joker.
AKB siya, no?
Yeah.
The oldest and the
She
most-
also did concurrent member ng NGT48.
Wait. AKB48 slash NGT48 Yuki rin. Okay. Well, as for me, wait lang. Ilan na to? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Kaya ko pa to. Kaya pa.
Yeah, kaya pa.
Okay. Kaya pa. Maghanap na lang ng medyo muka. So, medyo ano siya sa akin. Okay, let me see. Okay. Siguro, let me see. How can I, okay. Kuha lang ako ng reference. Oh! May hindi pa napipili pala! Kala ko, boss na yung quadlips, hindi pa pala. So, I'm gonna pick this member. KLP48's Mashiro.
Nice.
Yeah.
Wala ka nakuha pa yun sa quadlips. Anay ko.
Ubos! Ubos ang quadlips.
Mhm.
Eto, masasabi ko ng ubos na ang quadlips. Next! Ultimatum.
Wala na.
Oh, wala na pala.
Wala.
Kuray.
Wala siya.
Ira.
Ha?
Sino?
Ira.
Ira.
Ah!
Ira. O nga
Now
pala.
that's undisputed.
Mhm.
Okay, next. Kuya Joe.
Okay. My next pick from JKT48, the outgoing. Last time is niya sa 2 days from now.
Gracia.
Two days from now, we're not gonna see her anymore. Gracia.
Gracias!
Gracia.
Ang spelling ng Gracia is as in no? Yung Spanish na version ba? Or yung
Gracia.
Gracia na
Yes.
Like
CIA.
gracias, like gracias without the S.
Oh, gracias. As in CIA.
Okay.
Gracias without the
Yes.
S. That's it.
Gracia.
Next. Kuya Edge.
Babalik ulit ako ng Thailand for my next pick. But this time around, I'm headed to northern Thailand. So, the other Thai pumpkin, I'm picking CGM48's Pimlapat Suwanoy, aka Luked.
Looked.
Luken as in Looken.
Double
no?
K. Looked. And that's with a double K. Meron siyang ED tapos double K pa siya.
Looked.
Looked.
It's like
Looked.
look tapos double K.
Kasama yung,
Tapos meron pa siyang
parang
ED.
ito yung typical na wrong spelling na nakikita ko pagka spelling ng look. Naririnig ko.
Yeah.
Okay, next.
It's like deliberate wrong spelling. Pero yun yung talaga pangalan.
Deliberate. Hello, Ferds. Hello, next, Sir Rob.
Okay. All right. So I'm going to go with CGM48 as well. I believe she was their former captain, also came from AKB48, then went to BNK48, and then she did CGM48 as their main captain.
Wait lang,
Izuta-
isa-isa lang. Wait lang, isa-isa. Ano yun?
Okay, so she was originally from AKB48, transferred to BNK48, and then transferred again to become the captain of CGM48. Okay, and she is Izuta Rina, also known as Izurina.
Izurina. Okay.
Izurina.
Oh boy.
Mr. K.
Alam ko walang pipili nito pero pipiliin ko pa rin si Abby. MNL48.
You know?
Siyempre.
Okay.
Ay, wait!
Anong
Cherby! Pinagsama mo,
Actually, Cherby tsaka Sela pinagsama ko talaga.
Ayun. Permission. Okay. Can everyone repeat after me with this chant na nalaman ko lang kasi sa sulong? Because I'm gonna pick this member, that member with the golden voice! Maj Calvo!
Maj.
Maj Calvo!
Ugh.
Isn't that
Tapos na-spawner ka,
disrespectful?
no?
Diba?
Na-spawner
Maj
pa pala.
Calvo! Maj Calvo!
Oh
I'm
my.
so sorry.
Hindi ba disrespectful yun?
Hindi, kasi may nag-meme kasi noon.
Ay.
Nasa na yung isang nag-picture noon. Kasi merong nag-picture noon edited yun allegedly. Anyways.
Nakalbo siya. Anyway.
Next.
Kuray.
Kuray. Hello!
Kuray.
Kuray.
Teka
Here.
lang, nakakape ata si Kuray. Anong nangyari
Ayun,
sa'yo?
yun.
Ayun.
He's back. Kuray.
Yep.
Si Andy.
Andy.
Oy.
Hey.
Andy. Okay.
Okay, next. Kuya Joe.
Teka. Okay. Again, from JKT48, Angelina Christie, also known as, ano name niya sa JKT? Christie ba?
Ano pangalan? Sorry.
Edge checking.
Christie lang.
Christy.
Yeah,
Christy. Oh.
Christine Di Crispy.
Oh.
Christie.
Hindi yung ano bang tawag dito?
Crispy
Hindi siya
pata.
yung no, not that. I mean yung yung journalist na chismosa, Christopher. Ay, hindi.
Well,
Christopher.
pero,
Okay.
pero may H. Pero may H.
Okay. Next. Kuya Edge.
Okay, so ayan, babalik na naman ako sa Japan nito pero kailangan kong pumunta ng ng Hiroshima or basta sa around ayun nga sa Hiroshima, kailangan ko pumunta ng Hiroshima for my next pick. And this is one of the very first of first. CGM tuloy, sorry. STU48 Chiho Ishida.
Chiho.
She's just known as Chiho-chan.
Chiho.
Chiho-chan. Okay. Next, Sir Rob.
Okay. Okay, I'm going international again. Team TP. Okay. I believe she's one of their centers on several singles of AKB48 Team TP, Team Taipei, for those not in the know. Her name is Chin Pin Han. She's also known as Chin Chin.
Chin Chin.
Chin
Uy,
Chin.
parang mga apelyido parang mga nickname yan sa Pilipinas Okay.
Chin Chin.
Mr. K.
Chin Pin.
Actually, pipiliin ko to kasi siya yung pinaka may unique na pangalan sa MNL48 history. Si MNL48, si Lin Dion. Oo.
Celine.
Just
Celine.
wait. Celine who?
Celine, sino yun?
It's like Sunny Dion, but you fuse them together.
Oo, si Lin Dion talaga, as in. Like,
Yeah, oo. Wait lang.
So, ano
Trainee.
pangalan?
Yeah, I think we can count her. Pwede naman. As I think aspirant siya, no? Yeah, we can count her. Eto na pag-aalata ang may marami na talagang nakukuha. Wait lang, hinahanap ko lang kung sino yung nakalaban ni Jorina sa pro wrestling. Hinahanap ko. Yun lang talaga alam ko. Sino kayo? Naghahanap ako ng rivalry dito. Sabi ko nga ako yung referee.
Guys, fun fact lang, si Celine Dion 2 days lang naging member ng MNL48.
Okay.
Yeah, 2 days na naging trainee. Then she quit it, and that's it.
Ano yung talaga?
So, yung napili ko pala
Celine
si
lang siya? MNL48 Celine, ganun?
Celine Dion nata.
Celine Dion po talaga.
Yeah.
Celine
Kasi
Dion.
merong,
Haba naman
technical... Oo. Parang yung spelling nun, okay.
Celine
Yeah.
rather yung
Yeah.
Celine lang, okay.
Wait, let me research sino yung nakalaban ni Matsui Jorina. Yun, nakano. Kasi si Hollywood Jorina yung mas kilala ko eh. So, let me see. Para at least may ano tayo. Okay. Oh, okay,
Yung
okay.
nag-boxing sila before.
See.
Oo.
Naalala ko yun eh.
Wait lang. I think it's another Sakura, but I'm confirming if iisa siya sa ano ba tawag dito?
Well, I know Sakura also did the wrestling.
Yeah. Yeah, Miyawaki Sakura.
As
I
in
think that's what
Miyawaki,
that's what
Mhm.
Yeah, that will be my next. Oh, parehas sila, no? Ito ba yung sinasabi mong parang ba feeling ko may pumili na eh. Tama
Yeah.
ba ako? Ouch.
Alam
Yeah,
ko may
pinili ni
pumili
Ultimatum si Sakura.
Oh.
Oh.
Aray. Hindi pala pwede. Wag muna.
So, kailangan mo pumili uli from Tofu Pro Wrestling ulit.
Sino
And,
pa yung nakalab?
And
Ang dami lang
siguro ang
members sa
masasabi ko
Tofu Pro Wrestling.
Yeah. And ang isang clue na masasabi ko sa iyo, current member to na about to graduate na.
Okay, hanapin ko lang yan. I'm confirming kung siya yun. Oh.
Hey, hard dog.
Okay. Well, I guess I'm gonna choose this. I think last na member na to ng graduating na pipiliin ko. Yokoyama Yui. Yeah,
Ayun. Yokoyama Yui.
meron na din.
Si Yui Han.
AKB48.
Yui Han.
Oh,
Yui Han.
okay.
Yan.
Yui Han.
Okay, next.
Koray.
Kuray! Tada.
Natutulog. Natutulog yan.
Si Chella.
Shell.
Buo na yung 4th gen mo dito Kinuha lahat ng 4th
Si
gen.
Chella.
Oo. Next, Kuya Joe.
Okay. Oh my God. Okay. So, ang aking pipiliin this time, from AKB48, it's Muto Orin. Wait, napili na ba?
Muto Orin. Yeah, I know her. Yeah. Muto.
Hindi pa napili, Muto
Hindi pa.
Orin?
Hindi pa.
So, anong sa kanya? Orin? As in Orin?
Yeah, that one.
Wait. Ang kanyang nickname is, she's better known as, Orin. Yun lang, Orin lang.
Orin. Mhm.
AKB48, Orin. Okay, next. Kuya Edge.
Alright, so I think wala pa sa atin ang nakaka-pick from Sakamichi series. Well, I'm going to break that streak. I'm going to pick someone from Nogizaka 46. And siya yung
Ikeda.
yung una ko na notice doon eh. Teresa Ikeda.
Okay. Next. Sir Rob.
Okay. Let's see. Okay, since Nate was talking about Tofu Pro Wrestling, I'm going to pick one of the members from that prestigious group. She's from NGT 48. Her wrestling moniker is The Voice. She is Yamada Noe. Okay.
Like Yamada.
Yamada.
Yamada-san.
Then Noe. I think she's called Noe-chan, something like that.
As in Noue?
No, Noe. Noe.
Noe.
Noe.
Okay. Mr. K?
Since nahook ako ng AKB48 with heavy rote, I will choose the center of heavy rotation, si Yuko Oshima.
Okay. Yuko.
Ko.
Oshima Yuko.
AKB?
Yeah. Tama.
Okay. AKB48 Yuko. Okay, I'm gonna research this kasi this is probably a song na I'm gonna pick someone from a center na alam ko, I guess. So, let's see. Hanapin ko lang yung favorite song ko from a 48G group, which is Reborn. Okay, apparently a song from okay. I found it. So, the only reason nakapag-research ako kasi siya yung center ng teacher. Yeah. So, let me see kung siya yun.
Teacher. Di ba ang center doon si Yu?
Yu.
Napili na yun.
Napili na kanina.
Which is
Napili na yun.
napili na pala.
Oo.
Okay. Okay, so I'm gonna pick this member. Her name is Fukuoka Seina, also known as teka lang, ano pangalan nito? Sei-chan? Yeah, I think.
Kurai, you're next.
Gem.
Gem?
Napili
na si Gem.
Sinong Gem?
Napili na siya.
Napili na.
Ano lang, box.
Sino? Max? Max daw.
Max! Okay.
Max!
To the max. Next, Kuya Joe.
Okay. Ang aking pipiliin ay ang center ng Fortune Cookie, the original, si Sashi.
Sashi.
Rino Sashihara.
Sashi.
Yes.
As in, sounds like sushi.
Yeah. Wait.
Or parang
Ay,
sashimi.
tatype of ko yung... Yeah.
Ayun pala, double S.
Sashimi.
Next, Kuya Edge.
Okay, let's get the Sakamichi series streak going. So I'm going to pick someone from Sakurazaka 46. Well, ito yung isa din sa mga relatively new din pero hindi naman ganong new. So I'm going for Airi Taniguchi from Sakurazaka 46.
Taniguchi.
Airi din talaga yung ano niya. Okay.
Airi Taniguchi.
Yes.
Next, Sir Rob.
Okay. Let me go pick from HKT48. Yeah. She is half Japanese, half Russian. Murashige Anna.
Ana.
Anna.
As in yun yung ano niya.
Mhm.
Double
ANNA.
N.
Yes,
Okay.
double N.
Double ana.
Mr. K.
Yes.
So, the next member that I'm gonna pick is someone na nanalo controversially dahil nanalo siya sa centership by John Ken. So, si Uchida Mayumi with
Okay.
Chansuno Junban. Oo.
Ano to? AKB?
Yeah.
AKB.
Yes. Mhm.
Ano spelling?
Uchi. UCCHII. Oo.
UCCHII. Okay. Hello po. Anong fandom po ito? 48G.
40G.
ML. Yeah.
Yeah.
40G.
Okay. Sige, I'm gonna... Siguro ito na lang. Ayun. Speaking of Mudge, napili na. Ayan. I'm gonna pick this member. Well, I think one of the trainees na napansin ko. Mainly because, I don't know, nakita ko sa FYP ko eh. So, it's not my fault though. JKT48, Levy. Yeah.
Levy.
Next. Kuray.
Kalma naman si Matsu.
Daryl.
Daryl daw.
Mudge!
Dada.
Daryl, si Daryl daw.
Dada.
Sino?
Si Dada.
Daryl.
Dada. Daryl.
Daryl. Okay.
Yes.
Si Daryl.
Okay, next.
Joe.
Okay.
Kuya Joe.
Okay, let's go to Japan from NMB to the district of Nama from NMB 48. Kurumi.
Kurumi talaga.
Yeah,
Kurumi na
Okay.
yung hindi yung
Kurumi?
karakter,
yeah, Kurumi.
hindi yung karakter ah.
Next, Kuya Edge.
Before I go to the next pick, what's her surname? Anong surname ni Kurumi?
Kurumi.
Okay,
Mikamu
Kurumi
Kurumi.
pala.
Mikamu Kurumi.
Mikamo.
Mikamo Kurumi. Wait, let's
From AKB?
From Namba. NMB 48.
Oh, NMB. NMB.
Ayun,
Okay.
Mikamo Kurumi.
NMB,
Yeah,
NMB.
I've seen
Okay,
that.
yeah, I've seen her.
Actually, na-feature yan sa ano natin, sa isang post natin na birthday, ang birthday niya is Halloween, October 31.
Okay. Yeah.
If you
November.
can remember that. Alright, so I'm going, eto, final stretch na to ng aking Sakamichi series. So I'm going to pick from Hinatazaka 46. It's one of their mischievous members, Manami Ono.
Ano to? Manami o Ono?
Manami, I think. Teka, sandali, ano natin?
Ono Manami.
Yeah, ang ano niya, ang stage name niya is Manamin.
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 Manami.
Manamin.
Ayan ba yung
Yes.
ano? Ayan ba yung sinasabi nila ano? Pagka bago ka tumingin sa pagkakamali ng tao, manamin ka muna.
Manamin ka muna.
Manamin
I
ka
love
muna.
that.
Okay. Sir Rob.
Okay, so I'm going to MNL 48 this time. Okay, and I believe one of these members could have been a concurrent member with AKB 48 had it actually happened. Let us go with first generation member Ashley Cloud.
Oh!
Wow.
That's interesting. Ash.
Ashley.
Naubusan na. Naunahan na. Okay. Mr. K.
Balik loob po tayo sa MNL 48. I guess she has one of the strongest potentials kung nagpatuloy siya before. She was MNL 48 Trixie.
Ay.
Snow White Princess.
The Snow White Princess.
Snow White Princess.
Anyway, right now, nasa ano na siya. Ano bang tawag dito? Yeah, she's kind of doing her own thing na rin. Not performing though. Okay. I'm gonna go back to... Oy! Ayun pala. So, meron na pala akong nahanap. I'm gonna go back to Tofu Pro Wrestling again. Pagpasensyahan niyo na. Sila pili na eh. O sige, I'm gonna pick another member na, sige. Kung nakuha na yung isang Sakura, yung kapangalan na lang na isa pa. ML48 Sakura.
Wow.
Yay!
Yay.
Wala na, binakap lang talaga eh.
Yeah.
Hello, us. Teka lang. May deer tayo dito ulit kasama dito ah. Sonny. And next.
Kanina pa ako dito. Kanina pa ako dito nakaganyan. Hindi nyo na napansin.
Next, Kuray.
Isa-1.
Isa one.
Okay, sa
Isa
mga di
one.
pa nakakaalam, Isa was there, apparently, nung sulong. Hindi ko alam na siya yon.
Oh?
Kasama ni Colleen tsaka ni Sheki.
Oh?
And also Guts.
Ba't hindi siya
Oo,
makyat?
nandun daw.
Talaga?
Hindi siya makyat.
Hindi siya
Sayang.
Di siya pinakyat ni ano? Ni Aga.
Ewan ko sa kanila. Ewan ko sa kanila.
Hindi makyat. Si Hana nandun din eh.
Yun nga eh, kung nandun, ba't di siya pinakyat? That's
Ewan ko.
strange. So
Next.
magkatabi lang sila? Ibig mo sabihin, magkatabi lang sila?
Magkatabi lang sila all along. And I didn't realize it was Isa. Hanggat
That's
may
shame.
nag-post.
That's a
Oo.
shame.
Well,
Yeah.
there's also a guy. We know him as Got Ethan David. Next, Kuya
Ay,
Joe.
Tan David. Nandun din pala.
Okay.
Oh.
Okay. Wait. Wait. Let's... Wait.
Merry Christmas. Kaya
Oh.
naka-deal tayo ngayon.
Wait lang. Okay. Hahanapin ko lang yung kanyang full name. That should also buy time for the others to consider their potential picks. So if kung meron kayong device sa inyo, that would be better. Yun. Okay. For my next pick, I am selecting from STU48, Okada Azumi or STU48 Azumi.
Azumi.
Okay, Azumi.
Okay.
Azumi.
Next,
Yes.
Kuya
He's
Edge.
their current captain.
Okay, so since my picks from Sakamochi series is already exhausted, so balik ulob tayo sa 48G. And my next pick will be from our neighbors up north, Taiwan. So I'm picking someone from Team TP, and it's our Taiwanese pumpkin, Lin Yu Sin.
Yan talaga yung stage name niya. Lin? As in Jeremy Lin?
Linlin?
Reichi. Okay.
Oh, Richie. Okay. Layo.
Hello, Ray. Ayan. Next, Sir Rob.
Okay. I'm going to BNK48. Okay. Ang haba ng pangalan niya, but I'll go by her, what they call her. Ja. J-A-A. Ja.
AKB ba to?
No, BNK48.
Ja.
BNK48. Yeah, she was the center of the song Wink Masangkay. Okay.
Sana hindi ito yung maging pangalan ng isang P-pop group na pagka nawala yung isa nilang member. Aja, if you know what I mean.
Ja.
Dyan na yun.
Ja.
Naging trio na lang sila.
Ja.
Mr. K.
I don't know if familiar yung iba dyan sa Saturday Night Live 48. So SDN 48. So it was...
Wait lang. Let me confirm. Is SDN 4? Hindi natin siya na-mention
kasi
I'm confirming if it's...
I
Actually,
don't know if pwede ba? Pero I guess it was official naman din eh. I don't know if...
But let me see if they're active.
they're not.
I think they're not anymore.
They're not active.
Yeah,
they're
they're
not
not.
active anymore.
They're not.
Sige.
Yeah, they're not
MNL
active.
tayo, balik tayo. MNL 48, Alice, the former overall captain.
Alice.
Ang ating nurse based in
New York.
California.
New York.
Yeah.
New York.
New York. Okay, New
New
York.
New York, ha?
Wait lang, I just realized, ang dami
45.
na pala nating napili. Ilan na to? We're currently on round number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Oy, pwede tayong mag-16 dito. We can go all throughout. We're already on round number 12.
Yes. Go.
Pwede pa.
Pwede pa.
Sige, I think, let me try going back to 48G. Baka meron maka-fish sa akin dito.
Or pwede rin ulit sa Tofu Pro Wrestling. We still
Yeah.
have
Tofu Pro
one
Wrestling
more
ulit.
member
Dami dyan.
na nag-announce na kanyang graduation, nakasali sa Tofu Pro Wrestling. Kaka-announce lang niya.
Kaka-announce
Nabigyan
lang.
na kita ng clue. Kaka-announce lang. If you know what I mean.
Let me see. Pero I guess, sige na, baka maano na natin. I think we can say, can you shower me with booze right now? I know she's controversial as of the moment, pero I would say she's the only member that probably caught my attention, mainly because she's the captain of KLP48, Ishan.
Mga manonood, don't cancel Ishan. Don't cancel Nate for choosing Ishan, alright? Don't cancel him.
Yeah. We cannot, ano bang tawag dito? We cannot pick a member mainly because of an issue. Kasi we can see, well, if you can criticize the talent, okay, go criticize the talent kung meron talagang hindi maganda. But, if it's all about the personality or the fit, medyo concern yan. Kasi parang ano yan eh, parang ganito yan eh. Let's say, sa NBA, think of someone na hanggang ngayon nasa NBA pa rin. Kahit na anong mangyari, kahit na anong issue niya, sa NBA pa rin siya. Let's say, Ja Morant. Ang lala nung ano niya, for example, Ja Morant. Ang ano niya is Draymond Green. Nasa ano pa rin, nasa NBA pa rin. O, diba?
Parang ano parang ganito yan balik tayo sa perspective ng idols. Could be great on stage, pero pagdating sa locker room, may mga
Hindi okay.
may mga hindi okay, may mga red flags, di ba?
Backstage issues na hindi nalalaman ng iba.
Yun, backstage. Locker room. Backstage.
Even,
backstage.
okay, ganito po yun. Even though leaked, yung mga masasabi nating convo na nandun, we cannot really interpret everything. Kasi, ano lang tayo, spectators lang tayo dito. Pwede tayong ito, as fans, ito po ang ano natin, ha? This is coming from a managerial perspective. This is as blunt as it could be. We're trying our best to not really listen. Ano siya, hindi siya magandang pakinggan. Pero narinig ko na rin to from few of my mentors nung nagma-manage ako. IDGA about the fans. Yeah. Yeah, don't give something about the fans kasi the thing is they only know what's going on in the stage and probably on social media. Social media is not even I don't give a damn.
Ayun na nga.
Diba?
Kanta ng Quadlips.
Baka
The
sa
thing is,
next level. It's like the Quadlip song, IDGA.
Oo. Kasi parang
Alright,
ganito yan. Oo. Para maintindihan nyo rin po, this is coming from a managerial perspective and at the same time, mga natututunan ko din from other managers and from handling my own girl group. Ang napapansin din namin is that if we are too affected by the opinions of our fans, we don't know what our identity will be like. And ganun din naman. We can only we can do is like bury the noise, and I understand what the management is doing. They're actually that pwede mong you can actually critic nga HHE eh. Parang hindi ko sinasabing na nauunawaan ko sila at I empathize with them. I don't. I never empathize with HHE in the first place kasi sa ginawa nila sa MNL. Ayan. Pero what I can only do is what's going on through their mind.
Oo.
And basically natutunan ko sa kanila wag maging kagaya ni Kuropi. Ganun lang po kasimple. Yun lang.
At Yokada.
Mic drop.
Anyway. Kuray, you're next.
Gab.
Uy! Gabo! Nako po! Gab!
You say Uni!
You say Gab. Yun.
Gab.
One of the goats. One of the goats.
Hindi pala ako goat beer pala ako.
Next, Kuya Joe.
Okay, pangilan na to? Pang
12th?
Pang
13th na. 1, 2,
Pang
13th
13 na.
5, 6,
Ayun.
7, 8, 9,
Okay.
10, 13th na.
Hindi ko siya napipili. Ang pipiliin ko from north of the border, from our neighbors in the north, from Team
Standard.
TP, Long Hee-ching, also known as AKB48 Team TP's Koharu.
Koharu.
Haru.
Okay. I think okay yung spelling. Next, Kuya Edge.
Okay, so since napunta ako ng Taipei from my previous pick, balik ulit ako ng Japan, so I'm picking someone from HKT48. My pick is well, actually, sumali siya sa Produce 48. So I'm picking Sae Kurihara.
Anong ano niya?
Sai-chan.
Anong stage name niya?
Kurihara. Ayan. Okay, let's find it out. Okay, tama nga.
We know, wala.
Sae-chan.
Hello!
Sae-chan yung ano niya, yung
Sai-chan.
ano niya, yung kanyang stage name or nickname, so to speak. Alright, let's go. Let's go to the next.
So I'm going to Sakamichi series this time. Pipiliin ko yung kamukha ng Kamioshi ko sa MNL48 si Quincy. Kamukha daw niya to, kahawig niya daw to. From Nogizaka 46, Akimoto Manatsu. I believe her
Yun talaga ano niya.
Manatan.
Manatan. Okay. Okay, last one, Mr. K. Pwede na tayong umabot ng 16 pala dito eh. Okay, Mr. K.
Actually, nagsusearch pa ako kung sino eh, pero
Dami dyan.
I guess eto si naalala ko yung the time when AKB48 created a band called Baby Blossom for Give Me 5. Iniisip ko dun kung sino yung nag-lead guitar. Like I guess that was Takahashi Minami.
Yeah, Takamina.
Oo, Takamina.
Takamina.
AKB to, no?
Former chairman.
Takamina.
First chairman.
So,
wait.
while
Oh!
Nate is, ayan na.
Okay.
Do you have your
Let me
pick, Nate?
search.
Ayun, so habang nagkakaroon tayo ng ng konting
Delay.
thinking.
Delay.
Thinking muna tayo. So, yun nga. So, si Takamina, ayun, isa sa mga nag-perform yun ng Nemohamu Rumor nung 20th anniversary ng AKB48. And I was like, talaga? paano na handle yun? given that's one of the most difficult
Okay, I guess I got one
choreos.
already.
Okay, Nate.
Her name is Taniguchi Megu. AKB48.
Yeah. I know her. Taniguchi Megumi.
Si Taniguchi.
Taniguchi.
Megu. By the way,
Megu.
just in case
Megu.
just in case
Hindi.
that name rings a bell,
Inapadaan.
actually nakasama yun ni
Wala, may
Kylie.
napadaan.
Oy, dumaan si ML48/One Lips Cold. Totoong cold.
Wait! Is it? I think fan account to eh. It has to be the fan account. Fan account to. Oo nga! Oh no.
The real deal, bro.
No!
Yeah, that's her.
Nicole
Cole
talaga.
nga yan. That's Cole. Hey, Cole.
Ay, kami Yoshi.
Hey, Cole.
Merry Christmas.
Oy! May nagahay!
Yeah, ayun si Nyoko Roshi, oh.
Sabihan mo
Merry
nga
Christmas!
hindi pa pumupunta ng event
Hindi pa
eh.
pumupunta
Sabihin mo
si
nga,
Mio sa mga
hindi
event mo.
pumupunta oh. Ano?
Lagot.
Nagalitan mo.
Okay, Cole.
Pagalitan mo nga.
Sige.
Alam ko.
Ano yan, nagpakita ka pandir. Pakita mo mukha.
Pakita ka pang dir, nagtago ka pa.
Mukha mo.
Nakapakita nga.
Ang hirap na
Nakabiyo
eh.
pa.
Mapapahinga
Pagalitan
ako
mo nga.
Promise, pupunta ako next year, promise. May trabaho na ako guys. Ay, sorry, hindi ko dapat sabihin. Hindi ko dapat sabihin. Pero yes, totoo, may trabaho na ako soon. So,
Secret ka.
expected na lang
May
natin
pa-secret.
Ikaw Kuray.
Runs.
Oy.
Rans. Si Ransoy.
Sorry.
Ransoy.
Ransoy.
The Sean Bean of Philippine Primetime. Charot.
Okay.
Laging namamatay.
Okay. Characters often done for in series.
Next, Kuya Joe.
Okay. For expedition, let's go to Shanghai, and for this pick, we're gonna pick Mau Mau
Mau Mau.
from Team SH. Mau Mau,
Mau o Mo?
Mau
Mau
Asia,
Momo.
also known as AKB48 Team SH Mau Mau.
Mau.
Mau Mau, parang mumu.
Mau Mau naman yun.
Kala ko yun yung tawag sa player na Ano man tawag dito? Yung tawag sa magaling na player sa basketball.
Mamaw.
Mamaw.
Mamaw naman yun eh.
Mama. Sino yun?
Easy.
Junmar Bahardo, ikaw ba yan? Junmar?
John Ma.
Junmar.
Pero ko kraken siya.
Next. Kuya Edge.
Alright, for my next pick,
Uy,
actually...
nawala na si Koray. Bye-bye.
Oh, sayang.
Bye-bye.
Anyway, that's his
Nalobat na daw
that's his
siya.
lineup. Okay,
Lobat
thank
na,
you for
wala
your
na.
Lobat na.
participation
Okay.
Thank you for your time.
in the fantasy
Okay.
draft, Kuray.
Yeah.
So, ngayon, actually, nandun din ako sa same destination ni Kuya Joy. Pumunta din ako ng Shanghai for my next pick. So, sige, lulubusin na natin yan. I'm going for their Chinese pumpkin herself, Gui Chuchu.
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 Oh, Chuchu yung ano niya.
Chuchu.
Yung first name niya.
Yun talaga.
Yes.
Chuchu.
As in CHU. Chuba, chuchu, chuba, chuchu.
Chuchu.
Yun ba yun?
Chuchu. Di ba may ibig sabihin rin yun?
Chuchu.
Sa language natin, chuchu.
As in, chuba, chuchu, chuba, chuchu.
Okay. My turn.
Next.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. So I finally get to JKT48. Yeah, she's one of the original members. However, she started out on AKB48, then got transferred to JKT48. And one of their first centers, Nakagawa Haruka, also known as Harugon.
Harugon. Hi, Ishi! We have here P-pop idol na visitor, Destiny Ishi. Congrats ka pala sa concert nyo. Congrats sa sulong, by the way. Ayun, thank you. Ayun, next, Mr. K. So, anong shape po, mga ilang sides po itong shape na to? Sorry.
Ang hirap
Okay,
ng Harugon, no?
Uy, chuchu.
Oh, mga ilang shapes
Chuchu.
yun. Mr. K.
Sige. Ang hirap actually mamili kapag alam mo yan, dami nang napili.
Ito na yon, ito na yung intense talaga.
Marami pang hindi napipili.
Pero actually, marami pang hindi napipili.
Marami pang hindi
Sige.
napipili.
I'll be generous this time. Someone from 5th gen sa MNL48. May possibility na maging next ace dahil sa boses, si Madge.
Ay,
Napili na
Napili
siya.
ko na!
Napili na.
Napili na
napili
siya.
na si Match
Madge
Calvo.
Calvo! Madge
Namili sila si
Calvo!
Match Calvo.
Napili
Oh,
na.
napili na pala si... Oo, sige.
Madge Calvo!
Yung yung center ngayon.
Hindi. Si
Julius.
Sarina.
Hindi, joke
Si
lang.
Sarina.
Ayun.
Oo,
Sarina.
yun.
Sarina.
Oo.
Sarina, okay.
Oo.
Sarina.
Ay, salamat.
Ganda ng pasa ni Quiz Gab dito, kalbo, oo.
Oh, bigang buo. Madge Calvo!
Hey, Gabsom.
Okay.
Malala si Match.
Sige na, I'm gonna go back to MNL48 again. So, one of the...
Papunta na dito. Last na eh.
Bumalik na sa MNL eh. So I think I'm gonna choose this member. Eto, ano na to? I think last 3 options naman na to. So pwede nang, I think current na to lahat eh. So I'm gonna pick with the bottom of my heart. And let's smile all throughout.
Oh my-
We need to have the best smiles. Because we the smile is here.
We Darlene Marie.
And as we say,
Darlene Marie.
we the people.
We
De,
the
ano
people.
yun?
With
Yeah. American yun. I think it started sa ano yun eh. I think
It's
it's
a
like
wrestling
an
term
American.
na dating
Well, it is a wrestling term, pero I think ano siya eh, sa US siya talaga eh.
more
Parang
on the
part siya ng...
politics side ng We the People type, yes.
Oo. So I'm gonna choose MNL48, Wida. Next!
We the League
Kuray.
Marie.
Nawala na si Koray. Dahil wala na si Koray. Kuya Joe.
Joe.
Yes!
Joe.
Okay. Okay, so I'm gonna pick this time. I don't know kung may nakapili na sa kanya, pero I'm picking one of the first, if not the first Filipino to become a member of 48G, Akimoto Sayaka.
AKB
Oh, yeah.
ba ito?
Yeah.
AKB48.
Yes, AKB. Akimoto Sayaka.
Oh.
Sayaka.
Petition to change name sa fandom ni Mida. Preamble.
Ito
Yeah.
preamble.
We,
Yeah, half Filipino and one of the coolest person.
We the sovereign
AKB.
Ayun nga,
Muslim
no?
people.
tayo ka Saya or Okaro.
We the sovereign Filipino
Okay.
people.
Kimoto.
Okay, next, Kuya Edge.
Alright, so nanggaling ako ng Shanghai, China. Balik ulit ako ng Japan, pero this time papunta ako sa... Actually, kailangan ng stopover to eh. So, punta ako ng Tokyo, then punta ako ng Niigata. So, I'm going with the NGT48 current member Nanami Otsuka. Or, ang ano niya is Nanamin din. Nanamin din to eh.
Nanamin. Ito naman, nanamin, hindi manamin.
Otsuka.
Oo, Nanamin.
Nanamin.
Nanami.
Okay. Di ba yun yung ano, di ba yun yung sabi pagka ano ba yung tawag dito? Pagka nilagay yung yum burger sa aircon, nanamin. Nanamin mo.
Nam.
Tayo ng
Namnamin. Namnamin naman yun.
Namnamin.
Tayo ng binig. Nanamin.
Nanami.
Nanamin.
Next. Sir Rob.
Oh, it's me. Oh, yeah. Okay. Okay. All right. I'm gonna pick one of the original members from AKB48, Team 8. She was actually my Kami Oshi back then. Okay. I guess one of the beautiful persons there on Team 8, Tanikawa Hijiri, also known as Hijirin.
Hijirin. Hiji.
Yeah.
As in
H-I-J.
H-I-J-I.
Correct. Then the
Hijirin.
rin.
Okay.
Hijirin.
Okay. Next, Mr. K.
Walang pipili dito eh. Pero pinili ko siya dahil naging highlight din siya sa MNL48.
Nile.
Back to MNL.
Si Nile.
Si Nile.
Kasi binuhat niya yung grupo eh. I mean, binuhat pala siya sa grupo. Si Danny. I
Yeah.
think one of the biggest things about MNL48 kasi masaya siya i-stand dahil sa mga issue. Kaya ganon.
I think hindi lang siya dahil sa issue kasi sobrang colorful. Kumbaga, ang dami mong makikilalang mga members na kung saan sana sila lang gagaling, kung saan saan lupalop. And speaking of which, since pumili ka ng someone from a casino, pipili din ako ng someone from like a well-known brand. I'm gonna choose MNL48. Mga hotdog kayong lahat. Niho!
Sabi ko lang.
Nako!
Saan tayo pupunta eh.
Nako,
Alam ko na kung saan tayo pupunta
Nako,
eh.
kung punta ko doon, di ko ko doon.
Alam ko na eh.
Joke,
Yan.
Eric.
Sarado ka na, Nate. That's it. 16 na.
Ito, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Oo, sarado na! Okay.
Sarado na. Mhm.
Last round na
Last
natin
na yan.
lahat.
Last
Last
round.
round.
Last round.
Last round.
Sino na
Kuray. Wala na
Okay,
si Kuray.
Joe,
Dahil wala na
Joe.
si Kuray.
Joe.
Kuya Joe.
Ay,
Joe.
teka. Sino yung naunang nawala?
Si
Ultimatum.
Ultimatum.
Ultimatum. Nakailan siya?
4.
1, 2, 3,
Four.
4.
Four.
Apat?
Apat.
Mhm.
Are his picks up for grabs already?
Ano
No,
yun?
no, I wouldn't. I don't.
Okay.
Hands off.
Tama na Kuya Joe.
So, hands off na ba yung
Sige.
Ultimatum o ibabalik?
O sige, kahit wala sa
Hands off na ba o ibabalik natin? O ibabalik natin sila?
No.
Okay
No.
lang,
na.
last round
Sige.
No.
Last round na.
Kahit na malasab minute siya, that's okay. Sige. So search na lang tayo. Napa-search tuloy.
Dami.
Napa-search
Dahil,
tuloy.
may MNL ka pang ano dyan, di ba?
Marami pa
Meron.
MNL.
Ay, oo!
Oo.
Meron pa nga!
Meron ka pang MNL na
Meron pa.
favorite. Oh.
Di mo ba napipili yung gusto mo, Kuya Joe eh? As far as I know.
Yeah.
Meron
I
pa.
know. I know. She hasn't.
Ang pipiliin ko ay syempre
Oo.
yung kaka-birthday lang.
Ha?
Ay!
Sino yun?
Yung kaka-birthday lang ang
Ay!
nagpauso ng pagmamahal.
Rachel,
okay.
awit ka. Awit.
Rachel.
Rachel.
Okay.
Ray,
Nakita yung mukha
BFF.
ko. Nakita yung mukha ko doon.
Feeling ko ikaw yung pumunta.
Nakita ko yung
Si
mukha.
BFF! Ayun.
Di ko alam
Okay.
kung ako lang ba yung nakaganon
Kuya
na
Edge.
picture sa ano ni Rachel.
All right. So I think I have covered almost all existing or currently active 40G and Sakamichi series groups, except for one. I haven't picked from KLP48 just yet. And since napili na sina Devi, napili na sina Mashiro, well, guess what? Ang pipiliin ko, meron tong Oshi sa JKT48. I mean, ito yung isa sa mga unbelievable stories na masasabi natin from fan to becoming an official member of Uy, wag yan! Uy!
Controversial.
No, okay lang.
Uy.
Okay lang
Uy.
yan.
Ay, hindi, sa bagay,
Matagal ang panahon
may asawa at anak na yan eh.
Oo.
May asawa at
Tama
anak
na.
yan, si
It's okay.
Danny.
It's okay,
yan.
tama na yan.
Okay na yan.
Okay na yun. Alam na,
May
alam na,
asawa
Okay
at
na.
anak si
alam na
Danny.
namin ang
We
lore.
already know that.
Yeah, alam mo.
Oh,
Tapos
we
na
already
yan.
know the lore.
Okay.
Ayun. Going back to what I said, ayun. So meron so dati tong merong Oshi sa JKT48 and yun. So from fan to being idol. So I'm going for ito yung full name niya. Sekar Wejayanti Mumtahana, pero you can call her as KLP48 Hana.
Hana.
Yung spelling Pixie Hana.
Hana.
Hana. Okay. Next!
Japanese
know
for
why.
flower.
Last choice, Sir Rob. Last
Okay, my
pick.
last choice. Okay. So, pipili sana ako another Sakamichi series girl pero na-realize ko kay Yakizaka 46 already disbanded. So, I'm not gonna pick her. What I'm going to pick is another MNL48 alumni. Everyone remember Polar?
Oh!
Kaka.
Feito.
Yeah.
Feito.
Fate. Oh, Fate. Si Fate.
Yeah. One of the other
Oh,
members, I believe, could have made it to
Congresswoman.
AKB48
Joke
as
lang.
well. Mhm.
Congresswoman.
Congresswoman.
Oy, grabe ang congresswoman. Journalist. Oo, nasa kongreso siya.
Dennis pa.
Mhm.
Oh,
Feito.
joke.
Oo.
Okay,
Mr.
last
K.
one, Mr. K.
Saving the best for last.
Para sa mga bakal
Mahirap
boys.
maging fanboy.
Bakal boys.
Kulin.
Hirap maging...
Colleen.
And
Ah, Colin!
Colleen.
Alam mo tayo pa BGM dyan, Mr. D?
Kaka!
Colleen.
Nandun siya kagabi.
Wala ba tayong
Ay,
fan?
nulong.
Hirap maging
Galing.
fanboy. Marupok.
Marupok.
Sobrang marupok.
Okay,
Dami, Oshi,
That's it.
dami, Oshi.
I
Dami,
think that's
Oshi.
it.
that's it.
Ang
Okay.
dami, Yoshi. Dami, Yoshi. Dami.
Dami os.
Uy,
May
seryoso.
nagpatugtog na ba niyan sa actual event?
Oh,
Wala pa naman. Pero I think, we need to have your permission para mapatugtog natin kasi rights mo yan eh. Eto
That's it.
ikaw ba
That's
nag nun? Ikaw ba nag-produce nun?
Yes, ako.
Kaninong vocals yun?
Sa akin.
sa kanya din.
Oh!
Sa
You
kanya
have the
din.
rights. Kailangan mong anuhin yan. You need to, kailangan mo, alam mo kung viral of technicality, kailangan mo pumunta sa kapisanan ng mga broadcast, hindi,
Ano,
sa,
IPO-PHN.
Oh,
Oo.
IPO. Oo.
Oo.
I mean, I can give you contacts para at least ma-own mo yung rights. Tsaka dapat nga may buong kanta yan eh. Kasi alam ko, as far as I know, pagka mga ganyan, need
Actually,
mo
may buong kanta na siya nasa YouTube, guys. If you wanna check.
You know?
Uy! Ay,
Oo.
anong title niyan?
Keywords.
Marupok. Marupok by Mr. K.
Marupok.
Ba't ako yata,
Yeah,
ba't ako
mahana.
tinuturo mo? Ba't ako? Ba't ako?
Marupok. Pakinggan natin ngayon dahil nandito ka. Hanapin natin. Ayun!
Marupok.
Ano ba yung patapos na yung taon? Marupok year 2 talaga to.
Ay.
Hirap maging fanboy. Marupok. Certified marupok. Daming Oshi, daming Oshi, daming Oshi, daming. Daming Oshi, daming Oshi, daming Oshi, daming. Pre, ano ba ang nangyari sa'yo? Hindi ka naman dating tulad ng ganto. Puro nood ka lang ng live, tap-tap sa puso.
Tambay tuwing events, fan, chat ng todo. Hanggang sa di mo na malayang, perang sinayang. Sweldo binuhos mo sa merch lang. Todo recharge from virtual gifts. Beach and gold, Tota D's. Handshake event, di papamis. Lang humpay na mga anis. Hikay na fish, paano dis? Quota, hirap mag-is. Maro. Certified Maro. Maro. Certified Maro.
Ang sakit.
Dami ko,
Dami,
May umaaray sa gilid, no?
Dami,
May umaaray sa gitna.
Dami,
Sakit.
Oh my goodness.
Di ba binisita ka pa dito? Binisita ka pa dito sa live natin, ah.
Daming oshi, daming oshi, daming oshi, daming. Daming oshi, daming oshi, daming
Salamat sa
oshi,
regalo, ha?
daming. Kada
Ang sakit,
Gen ay may bagong oshi. Di na malaman kung sino ang kami. Bokmaru sa visual, magandang boses. Oshihen pa nga ng ilang
Ano yung looks
beses.
ko?
1, 2, 3, 4, G. Palusot ko'y maybe. Royal daw sa Oshi. May pagpapungi. Anong ambag mo? Doon tayo sa kawaii. Pag napansin ay delulu na B. 48G. Bingo, mango, for spooky. Support ako sa'yo palagi. Maro. Certified Maro. Maro. Certified Maro. Daming Oshi, daming Oshi, daming Oshi, daming. Daming Oshi, daming Oshi, daming Oshi, daming. Maro. Certified Maro. Maro. Certified Maro. Daming
Oshi, daming Oshi, daming Oshi, daming.
Oh my God.
daming Oshi, daming Oshi, daming Oshi, daming.
Ay,
Pero light stick dyan.
Ang lupit ng stick. Panchan pero
Yes!
That song is so cool. I like it.
That was
Diyan na
performed
pabulo.
by
I like
Mr. K. Uy!
I
Parang
like it.
gusto naming maging team song to ng NFT48 yung ano na to.
Okay lang po, walang problema. Basta importante kasi tayo.
sayang! Sayang! Ito, wild card. Sayang wild card. Emerald 48 Rene. Isa pang Emerald 48 G Renault. Pero I think hindi ko to na-mention dahil di alam Mr. K. Pero I think the only reason na sobrang memorable siya sa akin, I think her last stage as
Independent.
Radiant Sai. Ito, as independent as Radiant. Ito talaga yung nangyari. I think
Sa
we'll need
TikTok
explanations on this one. It was on TikTok as well. Na-post ko siya. And, well, wala pa ako nagpo-post ng full video na yon. Partida, yung segment namin ay, well, technically before Radiant. Pero, as far as I know, after nung segment na yon, may Aspire tapos sumunod na yung Radiant. Pero may significance yun kasi Aspire lang yung pagitan namin tsaka ng Radiant. Pero ito yung nangyari.
Okay, nag-gets ka agad. Run back.
Stone Cold! Stone Cold!
Yun
Sana!
yun yung, parang alam mo yung kwento nun yung na-stun ka, right in her presence. Ano ba yun?
Right in her... Yeah, pwedeng hindi niya napanood pero andun siya sa vicinity. So, I don't know. Medyo ano siya. Medyo... I need to exact my revenge on Stone Cold Steve Austin dahil pinahiyan niya ako kay NA.
Lagot.
If you,
Yeah.
I say to
Parang
this
ano yan?
all of you,
Parang storyline yan.
give me a helmet.
You embarrass me in front of my Penguinoshi. I'm gonna make you pay.
Buti hindi,
And I'm gonna
Buti
make
hindi ka-
sure.
Storyline. We just finished our ayun nga.
Yes, mo sa mga
buti
nanonood.
hindi
We
ka
just finished
na-stun
it.
ulit ni Rene kapag nag-checky ka. Sayang hindi ka man nagpa-checky kay Rene.
Hindi kami nag-checky eh. Pero I'm gonna make sure Stone Cold Steve Austin, I'm gonna exact my revenge on you. After what you did to me on Pinoy Otaku Festival. I won't
Sarap pa
hesitate
talaga ni Rene.
to finish you. Ganun na.
Ba't parang pa Drew McIntyre niya yata ikaw?
With everybody saying,
Eh,
Yeah.
Ay,
Yeah.
ay, speaking of, sana makabalik yun. Hindi kasi binubuk na maayos ng TA, oh. Pero naman yan.
Si Gunter kasi eh. Si Gunter
Oo.
kasi.
Yung, oo. Ito ah. Sa mga hindi nakakaalam, sa mga first time dito, alam ko marami sa atin na first time dito sa regular live, well, sa live stream ng NFT. Madalas yung narinig yung mga wrestling references kasi lalo nung kasagsagan nung hiatus ni MNL, ang napag-uusapan namin sa GC Wrestling, especially WWE.
Oo.
Kung bakit ako personal perspective ko bakit naging usapan ng WWE kasi personally parang nagpa-parallel siya doon sa past regime ni MNL.
Well, sabihin
Oo.
na natin siya yung parang
Tama
Vince
again.
McMahon.
That
Oo.
4 already?
No chance!
No chance in hell. So, yun. And habang hiatus din ng MNL, ayun, ang dami din namin ginagawa. Hence, nasabi ko nga yung story. But I think let's wrap this baby up, mga kaibigan. And hopefully, nga pala.
Okay,
On the 30th, this is a spoiler. Magkakaroon po tayo ng year-end special.
Yes.
We are.
Yes, may year-end special po tayo. To recap our recent highlights, our recent reflections. Alam ko, it was kind of a dry year at the beginning of... Well, technically it was dry until dumating yung Reboot and Rise. But more on that for the next schedule. Yeah, it's December 30.
December 30.
So, yeah, so
Tuesday.
stay tuned po mga kaibigan po sa ating
Iba
ano ba tawag
Iba
dito?
ko.
Stay tuned with our latest lives. Malay nyo, bisitahin tayo ng Osho ulit natin, gaya ni Cole, tsaka ni, ano ba tawag dito?
Cut.
Wag si Cole,
Ay.
please. Please, mapapahiya na ako
Cut.
dito.
Kay Cole,
Sikat.
kay Kat.
Okay.
Oo.
Basically,
Wala ko na
kakatapos na namin ng draft. We had our mythical draft, fantasy draft. Kumbaga nagbubuo kami ng mga kanya-kanya naming Senbatsu from across AKB48.
And if I may add something kay Pingminatic Soldier. So basically, all of the draft results will be posted on our social media, specifically on Facebook and Instagram. And maybe we can, nako po, magmamawi-wawi na to si Neon, no? Anyway,
Di kaya.
Ma-
Matangkad. Matangkad ako. Di kaya.
siguro let's also wait kung magkakaroon to ng replays sa YouTube. Hopefully magkaroon. But ayan, stay tuned on our social media accounts.
Yes, stay tuned. So, with that being said, maraming salamat po sa mga dumalo.
Okay,
Kay Ultimatum tsaka kay Kuray na nauna na. And syempre kay Mr. K, maraming
Okay.
Dito.
It's an honor to have you, Mr. K. At sa iba pa.
Dito, 48.
Yeah. Distrito 48. Yun nga.
Collab yata. That's the first collab. Probably.
Sali kami.
Meron pang kasunod yan.
So, ayun na.
Meron pa.